Today we are going to learn 8th standard numbers, properties of multiplication of integers. Today we are going to learn about properties of multiplication of integer. The first property is regarding multiplication, closure property. So what is meant by closure property? For any two integers a comma b, a into b is also an integer. Let us take any two integer. Let it be minus 6 into 5 for example. So 6 5s are 30, plus into minus minus. Your answer is also an integer. So this is called closure property. So commutative property means take any two numbers. Let us take as integer as a and b. A into b will be equal to b into a. So commutative property satisfies in multiplication. For example, let us take any two numbers. Let it be 2 and 3. A into b. So 2 into minus 3 is equals to b into a. Minus 3 into 2. Let us multiply and see. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So changing the order of multiplication, the answer does not changes. Therefore, commutative property satisfies in multiplication. Even if you can take any two numbers, 5 into 2 is 10 and 2 into 5 is also 10. So a into b is equals to b into a. Now your third property is associative property. So a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. No need to get confusion. All the terms you write it as a into b into c. Then later on you decide the brackets. So first two terms you write bracket. Last two terms you write the bracket. This gives you associative property. First you write a into b into c. Then first two terms bracket. A into b into c. Last two term brackets. Now in the place of a let us write 2. In the place of b let us write 3. This is for example. In the place of b let us write 4. And we'll check whether the answers are same. So a into b, 2 into 3 into c minus 4. Here a 2 into b into c, 3 into minus 4. First we'll solve this one. 2 into 3, 6 into minus 4 equal to 2 into 3 4s are minus 12. 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus. 2 12s are 24 plus into minus minus. So right hand side is equals to left hand side. Therefore, associative property is satisfied in multiplication. So, next property is multiplicative identity. So, what is meant by multiplicative identity? You have to multiply 1 with any integer, they leaves the same answer. For example, a into 1 is equals to 1 into a equal to a itself. You can leave the integer same. Now, let us take the value of a. Let it be 2. So 2 into 1 is equals to 1 into 2 is equals to 2. So 2 into 1 is also 2. 1 into 2 is also 2. Therefore, we can decide that integer 1 multiplied with any integer, they leaves the integer unaltered. Your answer will be same. 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is also 5. 5 into 1 is also 5. Your last property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. We are going to find the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. So let us sub the value of a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 4. First, left hand side will see 2 into 3 plus into minus minus 4. I have written directly. Plus into minus minus 4 is equals to a into b. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4 minus 4. 2 into 3 minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4 2s are 8 minus. 2 1s are 2 minus plus into minus minus. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence, multiplication is satisfied with distributive property of multiplication over addition. Thank you, children. Any doubt? Please comment.